Let's check out how we can use the ProfshineTech admin panel for the portfolio website. This is how your dashboard looks like. You can check out the basic leads, current leads, and the other things. Let's check out how we can change the logo. First, we'll change the header logo. So just we simply go to general settings. We choose the header logo. We can select it from the computer, from our files, and then we'll just save it. Now we will go to the website and see the logo is already changed. Now we'll repeat the process. We'll do it for the footer section. We go to the files, we select the file, we will save it, and boom. See, our logo is changed in the footer section also. Now we'll change the favicon icon. Favicon icon is the icon which we generally see in the tab with the title of the website. See, uh, the icon is also changed.